Welcome everyone to another video, and today in this video I like to share you guys how to customize your Android phone look like a pro in 2021. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. So guys, start the video. Welcome back. So at first talk about which app we needed to customize our Android phone. So at first go to your Play Store and download KWGT Custom Widget Maker, then KWGT Custom Widget Pro Key, then Fusion for KWGT. Fusion for KWGT you can get very good and excellent widgets collection. This is black and white and very colorful widgets. You can get almost 75 widgets. Next I am using BeeLine iconPack. BeeLine iconPack you can get 1818 iconPack which look excellent and simple, and you also get 46 wallpaper which also very high resolution. Next I am also using CrayOn iconPack. CrayOn iconPack is my favorite iconPack. You can get 5283 iconPack which look very gorgeous and colorful, and you also get 59 wallpaper which also very high resolution and very nice. And last one I am using Nova Launcher. So the question how you can apply these widgets on your any smartphone. So at first you have to install Nova Launcher, then select default launcher. Then you have to remove all the app on your home screen. You have to completely black your home screen and follow my step by step. By the way, I am using all app are payable, so you have to pay to use it. All app download link in the video description, so check out the video description for download this all app. You also customize your widgets on your way. You just needed KWGT Custom Widget Maker basic knowledge, so you can easily customize any widgets. And my next video how you can customize your any Android phone look like a iOS, and how you can get easily Android 12 feature on your Android phone. So today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, sub the channel, like the video and share the video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. See you to another video. Allah Hafiz.